Okay. Now I go to X. Create broadcast. I think it's going. So I think it's going on X. And let's see here. YouTube. Let me see if it's on YouTube. Am I doing this on YouTube? I don't know if it's going on YouTube.
We have a link.
Can you go to Gamemakers on YouTube and see if there's anything?
I'll check that out.
Yeah, see if it's streaming. And then Perry, are you streaming?
I've just set up it. I'll need to press the button itself to start it out. I was just resolving the issue with Avinash.
Yeah, I see a live. Yeah,
You do? Is it going?
yeah, you're live on YouTube.
Where do we see comments and stuff, if any?
I think on the
we're-
side normally.
You got to set it up.
YouTube Studio. Yeah.
All right. Unfortunately,
Yeah. Let's see if I write hello.
I think
Yeah,
there's
I
a.
write hello.
I think there's something that you can import that puts all your comments together. Because
all right, next time.
otherwise you'll have to just have individual separate boxes for every comment section.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna have 0. Like, if my friend is right, for like 2 or 3 months, we'll have 0 to 5 viewers. Mainly 0.
Yeah.
It was fine. Well, I'm watching it, so there's one at least on YouTube.
All right. Cool. Cool.
What build are we downloading?
It was 6368, I think.
6368. All right.
Yep.
6368 Pro.
When I popped open YouTube, it was the first thing that I saw.
Oh,
I think because I'm subscribed and we're live, it popped up first.
nice.
6368, we said.
Yes.
Yes.
Just hitting it on Twitch.
Let's see if Realm works.
Realm works now. It fixed.
Dude, loading takes freaking forever. Are you guys in USA, by the way? Region?
No, I think I need to change that. But yeah, I mentioned, I think, in our 4 loops feedback that realm loading time is really bad.
Oh, they got rid of all the benches and shit, so now it's a lot more first.
Yeah, and it goes down as well, the little ball. Oh no, oh I am on USA. Okay, cool. Probably should have compared. Yes, I accepted you. Yes. It should show nothing, or it should show B, because that's the lowest rank. Well, we have figured all that out today. Thankfully, me and Chika figured all that out.
Okay.
I'm also live on Lila Games Live Twitch channel.
It's called Lila Game.
Yeah, it's Lila Games Live.
Ah, yeah.
Who knows?
There you go. What? Oh my god! Oh, what's his name? I forgot his name. It's a famous movie that it reminds me of. It's very gothic, right?
Can I buy anything?
Oh, Hellblazer or Hellraiser or something like that. I think that's what.
Barry, how long will it take to fix all the text?
It's fixed, like it's only remaining for the character items. Other than that, it's fixed. What I found. Yeah, so yeah, for the item descriptions for character customization, Eamon needs to give a list of translation.
Look at my look at the screen.
Just okay, just give it. Okay, fixed thing. Yash needs to raise a PR for that, so Yash is working on that. He's aware of that. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, duos. Looks like the new map select hasn't been done either yet, right?
It's done. It's locked down.
It's not in build.
It's in build.
The
JK.
UI. The UI. Remember we had a new UI that shows singles, duos, and trios.
I think something is messed up. With your build. Can you just restart? Like for us, it's showing. Some exception will be there. Might be.
I'm confused what's going on.
Wait, Perry, is this the updated?
His is
Yep.
showing what we're seeing. I think it's just on the live stream. It's just
Yep. JK,
It's
I think
fine.
you hit an exception or something. Yes. Tactical Gamer Pro.
yeah, that's me.
Oh, that's you.
Even those helpful comments.
I'm also drawing that.
Alright, this avatar is too gross. I'm gonna change it. I don't like any of our avatar images. And then it's not showing when I update the avatar image. It's not updating.
I'm able to see mine. I think something is. Have you restarted your device? This build.
What do you guys see
Okay.
from me when you see the when you see my avatar image?
Wow. You got the. I mean, actually, why you added me, right? You're not on my friends list, then.
No.
Yeah, I think
This
all
is.
that's kind of jacked up.
This is Smiley one, right? Yellow background.
He's
JK.
a Smiley one, but I think in the squads he has. Yeah, it doesn't update in squads. Social.
Yep.
Yeah. In the real
No, it's
time,
not.
it's not updating.
Yeah, I've changed mine to the horse face, but in the other one it's showing like the default like yellow background smiley face. Right, no. Wait, I have to add you again. Wait, we just added it.
Josh, I removed you as a friend. Here, come here. Press on the. Don't accept my invite through the notification, but press on the plus in the wheel.
I'll invite
Okay.
you. Eamon.
It. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I wanted to make sure
Yep.
you could become friends straight through the wheel.
Oh, I can So, view
And-
house goes to plans.
Nice.
Plans.
Even though we already have a view clan there, I think. I've got my hat on. What happened to
JK, you
light?
still have that issue? JK, I'm asking like, do you, okay, can you just restart your build, please? It's the same. Oh,
Wait, what are you seeing, Perry? Let me actually check on your screen. So what are you seeing on yours when you go to the map screen?
Okay.
Yeah, I have to wait for it to capture.
I'm not.
Wait for stream to catch up.
Even can you just kick you out? I made you a leader.
Wait, which build did you download?
I'm not ready to do that.
6368.
Yeah, that's what I've got, and I have the same.
You have the links? That's select.
Yeah, just the map select, and then obviously, yeah, I'm seeing what you're seeing there, Perry. The team mode. That's what I think. Also, JK's seeing. The team mode, the autofill, the confirm, select the map. Is that not what it's supposed to be?
Dude, this red animation is dog shit. Jesus.
This. Are you
Wait,
both
you
on
can't-
6368? Are you both
Yeah.
on 6368?
Yep.
Yeah, we see what you see on your screen. On Perry.
Oh wait, is casinos done? Is casino done?
Yeah, arcade. Only Wheel of Fortune is left, other than arcade and.
Okay, your guys' lighting is fine. My lighting is messed up. Unless my screen just took it out. 2,000. Reward every 30 minutes. I mean, you just got a legendary, I think. So, yeah. You picked the legendary.
January. Yeah.
Wow, I'm gonna play it. The rewards in here aren't that great. Well, not like talent now.
I think there's maybe some text there to show what's going on.
Oh, I got a legendary. How nice to see. Yay.
Are all the games the same? Oh, the claw machine. Okay, that's the claw machine.
Oh, yeah, does claw machine work?
Give us some coins. Oh, dude.
I got 2 PPQs.
The icon for soft currency purchases jacked.
Yep. Looks like a common. Yeah. Get more.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. And I got a Springfield. Yeah. Now break. Oh, how? Oh my god! I don't like how I got confused how to exit. It's a back button.
It's a back button.
Yes, I got really confused. I didn't know how to get out of the claw machine.
Weird. How do we know if anyone's watching? I don't think any. Oh, wait, what? 8 people
Yeah,
are
YouTube.
watching.
Yeah, 4 watching.
One of them's me.
Whoever's
but-
watching, sorry this is boring. This is our first stream. Might be boring for a while. Alright, I'm gonna replay. Can you show these guys? Show our 8 minus. How many are you are watching on X? So -1, like 7 real viewers?
Yeah, we can play. I've got my loadout ready to rumble. Oh, what, the auto sprint? Yeah, so
Hey, Eamon, what do I change from the, how do I change my controls? Sorry, not my controls.
Oh, that yeah, the right fire button camera rotation.
Yeah.
It's in the
Yeah, it's on
gameplay
on the
settings.
gameplay.
It's
Second from bottom.
yeah, it's in the gameplay and it's enabled for by default now.
Yeah, okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, it's on for me as well.
Yeah, we fixed it.
Okay.
Yeah, because that. Yeah, I got killed because of it, because I was trying to move my camera and didn't want it to hide. Alright, are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Yep. Can we start? Okay.
Yep.
3, 2,
We're
1.
going.
Oh, we got 9 viewers now.
Someone on Goofy has
Yeah.
messaged you
How do
on
we see
YouTube.
if anyone's watching on YouTube?
It's
So
5.
you have to open your own live stream in the other tab.
Yes.
So Goofy said I'm a game dev myself, so not boring. Animations and UI feels clunky.
I don't even know how to find this shit.
Yeah. you open it, and then down the bottom right under the video there should be like a show chat button if the chat isn't showing. You also might want to mute the video.
How do I mute this? Gosh. There we go. Okay.
No, we didn't get in the same match.
Oh man,
Wait,
there's
what match did
actually
you guys?
there's actually people
Oh.
watching. So we got like,
Yeah.
dude, we got like, let's see, 9 plus 6, 15 minus, depending on how many of you guys are watching. Yeah,
I'm
so
watching
we
on-
have like 10 more
wait.
viewers.
Yay!
Yeah, so what I heard is we would have 0 to 5 real viewers for 3 months, but looks like we got somebody. What's up, folks? What's up, Goofy? Welcome. What's up, Tactical Gamer Pro? This is
That's
our
me.
game. It's bad right now, but it will soon get really good. It will soon be the best mobile extraction shooter in the market once we launch. I think some of the things coming up, we're going to have a whole UI refresh. It'll be closer to Brawl Stars in terms of the UI. And the extraction gameplay is a little bit different. I can explain that once we start getting into the game. Since we actually have some real viewers here.
Yeah, I don't think we're actually getting into a game. I think our matchmaking just came bugged out
What's going
because
on?
we've been searching for like 2.5 minutes and they're already in a game. So I don't think
Oh,
Oh,
we're in a trio. We're in a trio for some reason.
Whoa, you guys set to trios. You guys need to set to duos. That's all.
I think let me exit that.
And then, hey,
Let's exit
Damon,
and
can
touch it
you-
again.
Can you check the backend settings to make sure all the timing and shit's right?
It's right. I've already checked it.
Check it. Okay, cool. Thanks.
The cube has been spawning earlier. It's good.
it's been spawning.
300
earlier.
seconds.
200. Oh,
It's
that's way
300
earlier.
seconds.
It should be 500 something.
It's 510, wasn't it?
Yeah, 510 I think.
Hey, Eamon, the scroll for the backpack and equipment scroll together now. Can you check to see what that's like on your phone?
Okay, let me
Okay, yeah, he cleaned it up.
check. I'm leaving.
Okay, I've
Gotcha.
updated it to 510.
Okay.
Oh, Storm also is coming in early.
Yeah, so for viewers, this thing right here, calling the shrine. I'll just be honest, we kind of know what we're doing with this shrine thing, kind of don't. Right now, it's going to be for in-game, for the main game event, and we're going to show like a shrine in the sky. I'm trying to see how much time is left, and then you can kind of see what the growth of this. There's going to be like community goals, things like that. I think some of the inspiration behind this feature was the library. But yeah, we basically want to have specific goals. If we do upgrade this, then this realm here will have specific upgrades as well, depending on how the game community does. Is this right? The community goal progress? I don't think that's right. I can show you some effects.
Yeah, it's saying the same to me, unless people have been donating, because it looks like it donate properly.
Yeah, donate works.
Yeah. I donated a lot of clothes. So that's yeah. To donate and be on top of
I think for that, like, especially for donate, like, you don't know what the donation goal is. Like, you don't know if it's 300 cloth or 3 million cloth.
Someone's asking me to reduce the lobby music. How do I do that?
Yeah, go to settings. There's an
Settings,
audio
Settings,
and SFX.
audio, SFX volume.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hopefully that
Now we
helped,
need to
Goofy. Sorry
separate
about
it
that. we have no idea what we're doing. So
For some reason, my game audio is not going on the live stream, so it's just our voice.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe that's good.
They get to hear our music.
Alright.
I just have to emulate the gun sounds.
So, why is this not matching?
Well, we have to redo it. Are you guys ready again? Remember to select Ambrose.
Yes,
yours.
I'm ready.
Okay,
Ambrose doors. Can you
now? Yeah, we
search?
are searching.
Yeah, searching.
When is the launch planned? Okay, launch is planned for later this year. Like soft launch, we're hoping, I don't know, 4 months, I hope, but you never know. Eamon, you got a Ruger?
Yeah. The legendary one.
Yes, Perry has an MP5 with blue rag gear.
Tapping is kind of jacked. So I can't tap it.
Yeah. This pre-match is still super old. What is that shirt? I love goth girls?
Match
What
start.
Yeah,
Do you? Do you, Eamon?
It is to be adding anything.
Well, this is where, like, since we were thinking about cutting it down, you could just pick the ones that make the most sense.
Yeah. So I guess we can get comments in YouTube Live, but we can't get comments in X, I guess. I don't know. Maybe. If we can
I don't
get
use
comments,
X.
If we can, I don't know how to see it. All right, guys. So this is so for the folks watching, one of the differences in our game is that there's a notion of a so early game we've got some different POIs. Mid game we have this concept of a contract which changes from game to game, and end game is similar to a lot of the extraction games where there's going to be a big drop that you go for. So what should we go for? Sprint lock's still fucked up, right?
The default location, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still super far.
Yeah, I can't rejoin, apparently.
I'll go through here.
Here, let's go over there on my ping.
Okay, guys, don't look at my screen.
I'm not. I don't have it open.
I have it open.
Green
I know
snipe,
where you
green
are.
snipe.
All right, for our viewers, this is like we have PvE, but we also have PvP. So in that way, a little bit similar to like Dark and Darker, for example. Let's see.
Barry, the notifications are updated, right?
Yeah.
Oh well, there's some issues because that exits being open should be I think a tier 2 or 3. It shouldn't be a tier 1 notification.
I'll just have to watch JK's screen.
Oh, friggin' sprint
Yeah.
lock, man! It's so irritating.
No, you can't edit it.
Ah, what is that? Oh, that's a turret. Yeah, we gotta change that turret, man. That turret is... That art on that turret
He just drone. Shit.
The results being involved? Go get him, Josh.
Oh, I can't join. I'm bugged.
Oh, you're bugged?
Yeah, the game didn't load, so I restarted, and you can't rejoin. It
No,
throws
yeah,
an error, so I've reported it.
Yeah, I had that issue last time.
Yeah, so I made a bug report.
Yeah,
I'm
the
just
vault
watching
loot.
you.
We gotta update the vault loot. It sucks right now. Oh, bandages heal you to 100%. That's not right.
200?
Yeah, to 100. It should only heal you 75%.
Alright, I'm dead.
Jay. Oh, JK, it was you.
Well, it's good that the PvE is like stronger now.
That wasn't. I mean, that was Parry that killed you, I think.
Oh, was that Perry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Monkey helmet man.
Okay. So now we can spectate. See, there's Eamon. And fake player's invisible.
Oh yeah.
There spawns near extraction point.
Yeah, for the devs who are watching, are there any devs? Yeah, it seems like there's some devs still watching. One of the things we think is really important is that we have good fake player AI, or at least PvE as well as fake players, and so we've been working on that for a while. It's been kind of challenging. We're taking two approaches. One is using rules-based AI. That's been kind of okay-ish, but definitely not. We can't get them to be very skilled, and then we're using more of an ML agent-based approach using reinforcement learning and imitation learning. Primarily, well, imitation learning to set it up, and then reinforcement learning to optimize. Player spawns near extraction point. We do have player spawns near extraction points, but then the extraction points don't open for a while. Is that right, Josh?
Yes. It's about, I think, 3 minutes.
Right. So Goofy, yeah, the players do spawn near extraction points, but then we don't open them for a bit. What do you think? Is that a mistake? Goofy, let us know, man. No, the one thing I've learned, Goofy, is that when it comes to extraction and mobile, nobody knows what they're doing. There isn't anybody who has any good idea of what they're doing. So we're all we're all just trying to figure it out. Yeah,
Yes,
Josh,
I mean, something we've been discussing in LD. We've been discussing about moving exits a bit around a bit, or having less exit options, which might, encourage a bit more PvP action.
Wait, hey, Eamon, why is the thing still moving? Can you move away from it and see if it stops?
Yeah, let's try.
It will not.
Oh, that's what?
Those changes are not up right now, JK.
Oh, I remember them being in there. I guess they removed them.
No, it never was there.
Oh,
it needs to be implemented. Yeah.
Which contract was that?
Iraq. It's
payload. Player camera movement feels very stiff for a mobile game. Is this just your sensitivity setting?
So that's how we completed our contract.
Player feels very stiff, or is it just your set? Player camera movement. Oh, you know what? It might be the jitter off of the video too that you guys are seeing. I think for me it's pretty good. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that the cameras do you guys think that the camera movement's too stiff?
I mean, it depends.
It feels good to me.
Yeah, I mean, it depends if we really want it to bob around and be a bit more fluid or not. Because that kind of, one, it pulls you in, but I feel that's kind of more for first person, a bit less for third person.
Okay. Yeah, so pre-rock, I don't know, for me, it feels pretty decent. Yeah, I don't know. I never even noticed it to be kind of stiff or jerky, but I don't know, the main games
Enemies may
I don't know.
be there.
Like I play a lot of, well, not a lot. Well, I used to play a lot of Call of Duty Mobile. But coming from that game, it doesn't feel bad. It might be what you guys are seeing on YouTube, where it might be a little bit jerkier just from the video. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, I think it feels decent to me.
I'm showing them
we
airdrop
have-
right now.
We have screen acceleration, sensitivity acceleration. We don't have a setting for it.
No, I don't think so. I mean, there might be a couple of settings that are still missing.
Yeah.
I'm going for the cube. Let me show them.
Yeah, so for our watchers, you can see that blue light in the sky. So that's like the main airdrop thing. We call it the cube. So a cube will come down, which you see there. And that has the biggest rewards. And so end game objective is to get the cube and to extract the cube.
Oh, snap.
No. God.
That guy's a
What
laser.
was pretty hard.
That guy does
Yeah.
not miss.
There are two of them are there. He just downed me. Full shield, full health.
Oh, that's
Damn.
I think that's ML agent. I think that's why.
Wait, are we using
where
rules-based
are you?
ML agent for the
No,
I
one space, I think.
I think this is still rule based at the moment.
Okay.
I don't know. They're,
Yep.
that was ML agent aim. That was Josh Savage aim.
Wow,
In
I
one
did
sec-
train it.
In 1 second or two, I was down. I don't
Yeah.
know.
Where's the
Yeah.
closest
It was
exit? I'm gonna go up there.
So for our viewers, you can see the cube then is, over the shoulder of Eamon. Whoops.
You can throw it.
You can throw it, yeah. But yeah, if you extract with it, then one of the primary things, so this is similar to games like Vigor, where you have blueprints for more weapons and things like that. That's like one of the primary things that you can get from the cube. And then if you extract with it, then it will give you the opportunity to power up by getting access to more powerful weapons and things like that. So that's what that's about. If you guys see the green arrow up in the distance, that's the extraction, one of the extraction points. If you guys have any thoughts on what that should, if you think that looks okay. Oh, by the way, we got a comment back on extraction points from Goofy. Yes, kind of feels counterintuitive as player can just camp near the points rather than exploring the map. Maybe if you have heavy loot at the center of the map. We do have more loot in terms of like something we call a vault, which is similar to Vigor Bard House. And then we have the airdrop, but yeah, I don't know. What do you think, Josh? What would you say about having the player spawn points be near extraction points?
So that's kind of a case. So obviously we just discussed today figuring out what to do with loot. So for the first couple of progression levels, you could probably camp around the edges of maps to get loot. But if you want to upgrade and progress and craft the better stuff, you're gonna have to go into them. So you can only get so far by staying around the edges of maps. Oh god, what's going on?
My post match is like really weird. I got this totally black face, and Josh,
That
your
is
face
creepy.
is like all blacked out or something too. It's really weird.
Yeah, that is pretty creepy.
Okay, looks like text
but
and
yes.
post match got cleaned up.
Yeah, but to the point, yes, loot is being reworked. And yeah, I mean, you could, in theory, Goofy, you could stay around the edge of the map, but you're not going to get very valuable. It's going to be pretty worthless to you. It might be useful for the first couple of matches, but after that, you're just not going to progress. You're not going to get anything better.
Yeah, is the player marked on minimap when he has the cube? Similar
Yep.
to Vigor, not always, but it's like occasional
Ping.
thing, yeah.
Yeah,
good
and if
question.
somebody-
Looks like Goofy knows his extraction shooters.
Yeah. And if somebody's goal is to camp exits, I mean, I guess they can, but at the end of the day, they're gonna have a like a 1 in 3, 1 in 4 chance of somebody exiting there because there's multiple exits.
Mm.
In the long run, it's just going to be a lot slower progression and a lot more boring.
And you guys can see from my inventory, just like a typical extraction shooter, I lost all my shit. So yeah, that's the thing with these games.
Yeah, realm load up is it is slow.
You should fish for a gun.
Man, my internet is just not having it today. Oh yeah, the fishing, right? Yeah, we get 5 free fishes.
Yeah, I just got an R90 shotgun for fishing.
I'm hoping not legendary.
Josh,
No.
So you dropped out of my squad.
Yeah, I'm trying to load back in. It's been really bad at the moment for me.
Okay, I see. Okay, so that makes sense. But do you think once you're dropped, should we try to have the game try to check to see if you load back in and then reconnect you?
I would say yes, but probably only do that maybe while you're still in the match, maybe.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking. Okay, right, I'm just gonna have to stay in house. If I try and go to realm for some reason, my game it doesn't. Okay, so if I invite you, and then go to my inventory, get my free load out.
Okay, so I think Naveen's gonna finish all the new UI. He said in a week. So
Yes.
So I think for a lot of our players, and Fatui should be done in a week or so. So for those of you guys still watching, well, we're kind of up on viewers. I'm kind of surprised you guys would welcome, guys. Appreciate you guys watching our very kind of rough streaming here, but appreciate that. Appreciate you guys joining us. But I would say, like, in about a week, you'll see massive changes to the UI. We'll also have a Fatui that we can check. Things like that. Let me go back to the house. You can see here, one of the problems with this game, for those of you, if you have any designers out there, is that we have a very complicated game. We have a house, we have a realm, and then we have combat. So I think one of the challenges we're going to have is just explaining to players how everything works. So we'll have a Fatui coming in, hopefully in the next week or so, and then the new UI. So I think for those of you guys who are bored now, try checking back in a week, and we should have a lot of cool stuff coming.
You've got that UI bug that I was trying to replicate, JK.
Which UI bug?
The free loadout above, it's like shifted all the way over to the side.
Okay. And then I think we should probably have in the house upgrade, like the ability, like, you know, the springs and things. Like, you should be able to tap on it and it should tell you, just, you know, go into combat and find these are, you know, like an explanation of what it is and how to get it.
Yeah.
Well, a lot of extraction games do tracking, right? They allow you to like track, and it shows somewhere in combat like how many you have, how many you need.
Yeah, well, that's showing. Can you see my screen? So like, you can kind of see like in the bottom left owned materials, it shows that you don't have any, and then in the inventory it shows you need like 15. But I think it's, you know, especially for new players, if you tap on it, just popping up a little modal that says, you know, this is a crafting material. Go into combat and find it in a, you know, in a crate or something, in a stash or something like that.
Yeah, found in combat maps through looting. I mean, yeah, some games do allow tracking. So, do we want to have something like tracking, being able to track a certain number of materials?
What do you mean by that? Because like right now, again, in the lower left-hand.
So again, like if there's 3 materials, I can track those 3 materials. When I go into combat at like the top left, top right, wherever, it shows what I'm trying to find, and it tells me how many I've got and how many I need.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Interesting. I don't know. Station upgrade should have ability to tap on crafting material icon and get a pop-up that says something like this. Okay.
What is with the house? Is it a progression? So what you're seeing here, Goofy, is station progression.
What's with the house? Is it yes, the house is a progression system. So we have multiple progression systems in terms of like house. The realm actually progresses to some degree, and then personally, you've got a lot of your own items. You have this notion of a gunsmith and leveling up your guns, so that's the other major progression system. My assumption is that's going to be the primary progression system.
Oh snap, guys! I lost track of time. I gotta jump.
Okay.
All right, stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, see you later.
All right, see you guys.
I guess we can hop into trio now, right?
Alright, let's try it.
So I have to get Perry onto our thing. I don't have him on my friend list. And I can't go into realm.
Goofy says, onboarding gonna be a task. Yep, it will be.
Yes. I'm going to promote you to leader, JK, so you can go and add Perry in.
Okay.
Because mine is having moments.
Alright. We'll go trios.
Alright.
Ambrose, or should we try a different map?
Yeah. I mean, we could try Amber. I mean, the other one, it's the same. It's Entity, but it's not had any update.
Okay, so which map do you want me to choose? It's
Just Ambrose for now. Yeah, Entity is locked down now. It's just renamed.
Okay.
It's like a bit more interesting.
Let's try it.
Alright. You're muted, Perry, if you're talking.
Oh no. Oh,
Okay.
I'm not in your party. Somehow I exited
Oh,
from your
what?
party.
It still says you're in the
Yeah.
party for me.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're in the
me, it's
party.
it's showing you in squad.
Oh, damn, that's a bug.
Let me check squad social. Yeah, it still says you're there. Okay, you might have to kick him from our squad and then we add him back then.
How do I kick?
You just go to the social button, then tap on his name, and then
Alright.
Okay, I got the notification that you kicked me, but I was not in the squad.
Okay, I sent
Yeah.
you another
That's
invite.
strange.
Squad. When squad mate disconnects, still shows as part of squad.
did you accept the invite, Perry?
Sorry?
I'll send you another invite. I just sent you 2 invites. Oh, there you go. Alright.
Okay. I joined.
There you go.
Trios,
Alright.
lockdown.
But still,
Let's go.
Ready?
okay.
Yep.
Still not able to see you guys.
What?
Sorry.
What in the heck?
Yeah,
Oh, are you on US region?
Yes, I'm on US. I am on US. I think I need to just restart the game. Yeah, let me do that.
Okay. Yeah, you left the squad now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Technical squad issues, right?
Okay.
In the gunsmith
Now I
JK, did your
joined
Ruger level it up a bit? Since you used it. Should have some XP for it,
Yeah.
right?
Actually, I got some exception when I joined your party.
When you joined the scout.
Yes,
Wait, how did you join the party?
I joined it.
Yeah. I mean, how? I don't think JK sent an invite, or did it like auto reconnect you back to our party? Maybe it
Yeah.
auto reconnected you.
Are you? What's going on with you?
Let me just start it.
Okay.
Can you just kick me out so I can queue up with you?
Okay. Kick.
Okay.
You've been
Are you
kicked.
going duos?
I'm never going trio, weren't we? Because there's only just 3 of us. Unless you want to go duos with random bots, so we can kill each other.
Yeah, that we can do.
Okay, for our viewers, you can see that in the realm, you also have your house. So that's my house. I'm Kiminator. It's showing Perry's house here, but he's disconnected. So there's some kind of like connection error bug type thing.
Yeah, I was messaging Avanash, and Avanash said that Perry was in a different server when we were playing.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, so I don't know what the hell's going on, but we all joined the same server.
Oh, fishing. Okay, when I tap fishing, I'm just trying to fish in the middle of the...
Wait, what?
Fishing is jacked.
What?
That's a new range record.
Alright, so let's see if fishing
Damn.
actually works. So while we're waiting for Perry, I'm gonna try and fish. But like that
no,
icon
we can.
shouldn't even appear, right? Unless you're near the water.
Yeah, I mean, yours is just appearing no matter where you are.
Yeah. Now, let's see if this works.
I can see you, JK. In the realm.
You can see me in the realm. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fishing just beside you.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's see if it works.
Okay, yeah.
Let
So
me-
for some reason, yeah, your thing was always icon was always there.
I request you for a team up. Did you get any notification or something?
Hold on. I'm fishing.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's one more.
I'm
I
not
found-
seeing any of the invites, Perry. Let me try to invite you. By the way, what's PS6? Like PlayStation 6?
Parvinder, it's Parvinder Singh, but
Oh, okay.
His name, but in initials.
Why 6?
5 was taken, maybe.
just
I'm gonna spam invite.
Oh.
Are you getting it?
okay. I got it.
Alright.
But
Okay,
still, I got an exception. So okay, I need to. Wow, it's fucked up.
It's fucked up.
It's fucked up.
Okay.
Yeah. So I let's start duos and search it together. That's how we can go. Just
Okay.
give me a second. I'm just.
Alright, Josh,
I restarted.
Yeah. I think we're getting close to times, but maybe we can just do one quick match and then we'll call it a day.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. Who's the lobby leader?
Me?
Me and him
Okay,
already in
just-
a party, so
You
there's already 2 of us.
You want to just try and do solo then? The 3 of us solo?
Yeah,
Or you're
we
not
can do
even in the
that.
game, Perry?
No, I'm in the game, but I can't join you.
Okay.
That's.
I mean, we could do duos. Just shoot duos or IFIL or something.
okay,
or solo.
fine.
I don't mind.
Let's
I don't
do.
mind.
Duos autofill?
Okay.
Lockdown?
Yeah,
Duos or IFIL.
duos autofill.
Okay, let's go.
Right,
Okay,
searching.
duos autofill. Searching.
What are you using for matchmaking and server hosting?
Matchmaking, we're using Nakama from HeroClaps. We might have to eventually build our own matchmaker, so that's something. Oh shit! I need to send an email out. Fuck. Yeah, we're gonna relook at our matchmaking. Payload. Okay. Josh, do you have a Walter PPQ? Is that correct?
Yes. I have reload out.
Yeah, it's tapping off of the.
Yeah, it doesn't tap off. You always just see the menu.
Tap on, tap off. All right. Yes, let me. I'll write that down.
2,
Pre-match.
1. Match start.
Pre-match lobby. Tap on player to get loadout. Then tap off does not work.
Oh, I loaded this time.
Okay.
Oh man, map's looking really creepy for me.
Okay, let's see where
And
we're gonna
dark.
go. Oh, this is a small
Yes.
map.
Where's the light?
There's no vault in this one.
There should be. Yeah, it's in the bottom middle. There's an icon blocking it.
Okay, I think it's we should watch for overlapping map icons.
Yes, absolutely. If you zoom in, you can see it, but you have to zoom like all the way in.
Map icons in combat mini map.
Have you guys got light? I don't even think the directional light's on. Oh, it is on. Wait, why is it so dark for me? Creepy.
Yeah, this is kind of a darker map. We still have
Yeah. Oh, they
blockouts.
have.
Yeah, I see some of these like walls and stuff.
Yes.
Okay,
This
so-
has been
okay.
worked on.
This is dev mode, guys. For any viewers, do we actually even have anyone left watching? Oh shit! Yeah, we do.
Yeah, 9 watching on YouTube.
Welcome, guys. Hope we don't bore you too much. What do you guys think about Sprint? Is Sprint feeling okay for you guys? I know there was a lot of complaints about Sprint before.
I mean, this is. I think is this the new animation, right, Harry? It feels a bit different.
It's not the new one. Right now we need to push those out.
Oh yeah. It's just that when he was running with one of the, I think he was running with the Ruger, it felt a bit different.
Hey, Roman Shah.
Hey, what was that setting that fucked up aiming? That was very.
Yeah, this map has a lot more PvE.
Who the heck's shooting at me? What the heck?
I have one bullet left. One bullet to my name.
Ooh, I got some boots. Okay, auto equipped. That's good.
That was a shotgun turret there, that's why.
Okay, contracts are active. Payload. Where the heck is the?
Payload, it's kind of in the middle.
Ooh, springs. Got some springs.
Those will be used for crafting.
Okay, here it is. So this is one of our POIs. This is, what is this? What is that?
The inside machine, I think you're on.
So let's find enemies. Activate. Enemy locations have been marked on map. So now you see these red dots. That's where the enemies are. And let's go for payload contract, okay? So this is our mid-game. Contracts are designed to create a mid-game objective. So we will go over there. Let's see, any other YouTube comments? Sprint animation needs changes and speed differences not felt. I think, oh shoot. Yes, sprint animation, I agree with you, Goofy. I can kind of feel the difference in sprint, but yeah, the sprint animation would be... I think the animations in general, we gotta improve. That's like some weird shit up in the sky. I don't know what that's all about.
cube is spawning soon.
Cube
That's an
does a cube come in too fast?
entity
I don't feel
experiment
like
going
it
on,
comes in
and
fast.
it's just
Yeah, Q comes in quite fast. Again, this map hasn't been played enough to fine tune the right value.
the values are same as of Ambrose right now.
It was, but obviously we changed Ambrose back to what it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm about to die here. Okay, if anyone just taps me, I will die.
That tiny sliver of hell.
What is that? What is that beam pointing at me? What the heck is that? There's like
That's the sniper turret. I put it there for debug purposes, but it needs to be coded to like collide with things.
I'm gonna sneak up on that guy. Where's that guy?
Yes. That. Yeah, there's a bunch of crates down there.
Oh, the cube's here. Let me, Alright, I'm gonna go for cube with 1 drop of health.
Probably be dead in a second.
Okay. Alright, so let's GTFO.
I'll cover your escape.
Alright.
There we go.
Whoa, somebody threw a grenade.
That was me. Put some smokes down.
Okay.
You'll never find us.
Wow, exit in 5 seconds? That's too fast. Alright. Alright, I think that's it. Why is the map blacked out on the outer edges in the UI? Design choice or RP locked or not explored?
It's a out of bounds area, so you can't get to those locations. I got a C rating.
I got a C rating.
My going up.
I didn't really loot much. I'm surprised I even got a C.
I got 1,463 value.
Dude, loading is taking a long time. All right, guys, let's recap. Let's recap feedback. What was the name of that map? Not for lockdown map. For lockdown map. All right, you guys ready? Perry, you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I just need to put it out some of the things. I'll do it after this. Can you go over yours?
So bugs,
Yeah.
Profile, the SS loot icon, we need to change that to a regular icon. Realm sky, no timer in the sky. Let me actually also mention Tarun on that one. Tarun. Change avatar does not update in squad's UI screen. I don't know who is that. Yush. Profile view house goes to clans. Icon for soft currency purchase is screwed up. I would also say see screenshot. Some players still invisible. See screenshot squad. When squad mate disconnects, still shows as part of squad. Pre-match lobby. Tap on player to get loadout. Then tap off does not work. Overlapping map icons and combat minimap for lockdown map. Do you think we should solve that programmatically, Josh? So like if the icons are overlapping, that programmatically it just make sure that.
I mean, it could move it aside, or it could have a priority thing. Again, I think it's probably easier if we just don't put things so
So close.
right next to each other.
Okay, so
Yeah.
then should I... Here, I'll just nuke this bug then. And then we can just solve that manually. Feedback, payload contract changes should get put into build. House station upgrade should have ability to tap on crafting material icon and get a pop-up that says something like, this is the X crafting material, go into combat and loot stashes to try to obtain. So that was my feedback. Josh, you want to go over yours?
Yeah, mine's mostly short. So one feedback, the fishing interact zone is still way too far away from the lake. The claw machine, you had to press a back button to exit, and I was confused and actually didn't figure it out. It took me like 5 seconds to figure out how to get out.
Okay.
So that's not good. Obviously, on my device, light maps aren't loading, so everything looks dark or incorrectly lit.
Right.
Rejoining didn't work, and I posted that connected to a bug, which I spoke to Avinash about. And on the bridge in the lockdown map, when I was walking up above it, I couldn't smoothly walk. I was being stopped by bad colliders.
Okay. And then, Perry,
That's
did
a
you
nice
have
little
anything?
model.
Yep.
Still writing.
So crafting table, I'm having a little VFX in the house customization. Then my game stuck after the successful extraction, and my squad mate error. I joined the squad mate, but I couldn't able to see you. And there are like received items. I can't able to see the placeholder images, and the medkit animation. It's broken right now. So yeah. Those are the ones.
Oh, I think I missed two more bugs. One was like in post-match, the characters, for some reason their faces were like kind of blackened or something like that. And then, then we have this bug where... So are you seeing for the map UI screen, you're seeing the updated map UI screen or the map select screen, but me and Josh are not? Is that right?
No, he's seeing the same thing. It's just on your screen share, it's actually cutting off a bit at the bottom of the screen.
Okay, so that's probably just not in. The new map UI select screen is probably just not in the game yet, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. All good. Okay, well, I think that's it to our viewers. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. And I don't know how I even end this shit.
You just have to stop.
So on X, I hit end. Bye, folks on X. Thanks for joining us. Boom. That's ended. And then stop streaming.